Hey guys, today I'm reviewing Ice Cool, a unique and fun board game that's perfect for kids and adults. If you love games with action, strategy, and a touch of humor, this one is for you because inside the box you'll find modular pieces that fit together like a puzzle, creating a cool layout for the penguins to run around in. You get adorable penguin figures that players use to flick across the board. The goal? Well, you have to collect these fish tokens while avoiding the hall monitor penguin. Each player takes turns flicking their penguin, aiming to collect fish while avoiding the catcher. These little guys can do incredible tricks, slide around corners, spin, and even hop over the walls if you flick just right. The physics of the game add a surprising layer of strategy, as you figure out the best ways to move around and avoid the catcher penguin. It's a mix of skill and a bit of luck, making it easy to pick up but challenging to master. The game ends after each player has had a turn of the catcher. You get the points for each fish collected, and the player with the most points wins. It's a fast-paced, action-packed game, great for family game nights. So if you're looking for an engaging, skill-based game with some laughs and a lot of action, Ice Cool is a must-try. It's easy to set up, quick to learn, and loads of fun.